Welcome back, Math 6 students. This is Chapter 2, Section 4, Stem and Leaf Plots. To begin with, let's do some vocabulary. In a stem and leaf plot, the data or data is ordered from blank to blank and is organized by place values. From least to greatest and is organized by place values. The stems of the plot are the blank written to the left of the vertical line. That's right, the stems are the digits written to the left of the vertical line. The leaves of the plots are the blank digits written to the right of the vertical line. And then the key explains the stems and leaves. All right, so here is example 1. Construct a stem and leaf plot. Make a stem and leaf plot for the data in the table. Step 1, order the data from least to greatest. Draw a vertical line and write the tens digit from the least to greatest to the left of the line. These digits form the stems. Since the least value is blank and the greatest value is blank, the stems are here. Right, so since the least value is first, is first. Since the least value, when you're looking at these numbers, you're looking for the number that is the smallest. The smallest number is 66. And the greatest value looks like 89. So then the stems are 6, 7, and 8. So write the tens digits in order to the left. Oh, I'm sorry. Not tens digit and not left. It's write the ones digit in order to the right of the line with the corresponding stem. These units form the leaves. Include a blank that explains the stem and leaves. Alright, so what this means, what you would have done is you would have started by writing them across. So 66, 67, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. 73 happens twice. You'd go all the way through, and then the last numbers would be 81, 88, and 89. So once they're in order, draw from least to greatest. Then these numbers here, right here, the 6, the 7, and the 8, those are your stems, 6, 7, 8. Then you look at only the singles digits, the ones digits, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3. And it went on and on and on. And the last three are 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. And this key just simply sets up that 7, 8 is equal to 78. You could put 7/0 equals 70. You can use the key however you want. Just give an example of it. So let's make a stem and leaf plot for this data here. Find the smallest one. I think 58 is the smallest. 59. I don't see a 60, but I see a 61. All right, you can put these from least to greatest now. So pause the video and put them in order. All right, so this should have been all of the numbers in order from least, 58, to greatest, 81. That means our stems are 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we can draw a vertical line and we can put a 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to show that this is the stem. These are the leaf part. And now we basically go through this and look at 58. That means it's an 8 here. 59, 61, 65, 65, 66, 66, 66, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 74, 78, 78, and 81. So we then took all of the individual singles and put it through here. Now you can't be done until you say that 8/1, what does that equal? 81. All right, analyzing plots. Football. The following stem and leaf plot shows the total points scored in 39 recent Super Bowls. Write a few sentences analyzing the data. So let's say the lowest point total is 21, because a 2 slash with a 1 is 21. And the highest, 75. Most of the combined scores are in the blank. Higher and lower point totals are more unusual. So basically the most of them are within 30 to 50 points. All right, let's read this now. The following stem and leaf plot shows nightly hotel rates for a sample of hotels in a large metropolitan area. Write a few sentences that analyze the data. So one of the sentences could be, like here, the lowest. So we could say, instead of lowest, but the cheapest is $62, while the most expensive is $95. You could also say that there are more 80 to 89 than any other. So that's how you could set this part up. All right, so that should help you make stem and leaf plots. Try to do the CYUs from this section, from section 4, and these will be the majority of the questions that we practice in class. Good luck.